Hey everyone, finally Google has introduced the three models of Gemini 2.5 family. First one is the Gemini 2.5 Pro and it is currently a stable version, no changes from the last 0605. Second one is the Gemini 2.5 Plus and it is currently stable and updated pricing from 0520. And the third one is the Gemini 2.5 Plus Lite and it is currently a preview model and it has small reasoning portion. Okay. So in this video, I will discuss about on that. And here you see that today this person Logan Kilpatrick, he announced that today these three Gemini models will be released. And now some 40 minutes ago they have released these three model. Now if you go to their official blog post, here you see Gemini 2.5 updates to our family of thinking models. So all of these three models are thinking and this Gemini 2.5 Pro and this Gemini 2.5 Flash both are now stable model because before this you have seen that they have added this kind of date like this preview 0506 or preview 0605, but now these models are available as Gemini 2.5 Pro. You will not find any preview or any date after this. Okay, so these two are now stable. And the third one model, it is the new model Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite and it is now available as preview. So if you go to this AI Studio, there you will find this model. So see here that under this Gemini 2.5, here the last model Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite preview 0617 means it is a today's state. It is available here. Okay, and if you see the pricing, they have mentioned these things that it is the cost. So the first one is the 2.5 Flash Lite and here the cost is $0.1 for the input price 1 million input token and the output price is 0.40. And the interesting thing is that if you go for this 2.5 Pro with thinking and there you see the price is $1.25 means it is same as the previous and the output price is also same as the previous, but here you see that this model is perfect for the coding and highly complex task. And this 2.5 Flash thinking its price got increased. Here you see previously it was $0.15 but now it is $0.30, but the output price got reduced. Okay, and if you see that this 2.5 Flash model is actually for fast performance on everyday task. And if you scroll down below, then you will find many information that Gemini 2.5 Flashlight is a reasoning model which allows for dynamic control of the thinking budget with an API parameter. And because Flashlight is optimized for cost and speed, thinking is off by default. So if you want to use the thinking, then you can turn that on. And 2.5 Flashlight also supports all of our native tools like grounding with Google search, code execution and URL context in addition to function calling. So that means tool calling is supported in this 2.5 Flashlight model. So if you want to use any kind of tool call model with a lower cost, then you can go for this model. Otherwise you will see that all of this comparison they have done and they have shown us here. So I have given this blog link in description and you can read this blog. You will get many ideas, and also I will make a separate video. In my next video I will show you that how to use this model with the free API in your client and root code with VS Code extension. And for that what you can do, you can subscribe our channel Code Digit to get the latest update. And if you want to use all of this model for free, in that case go to this AI Studio. There you will find this Gemini 2.5 Pro as a stable version. There is no preview, no date is mentioned, so it is the new one. And the Flash model is the this model. As you see Gemini 2.5 Flash new, and the last model is the Gemini 2.5 Flash Lite preview. So before using this you can see the pricing also. Means in AI Studio it is completely free, but with API you can see that the input and output price is also they have shown us here, so you will get the idea. And also they have written the use cases, means in which case you can use these models, Gemini 2.5 Pro and 2.5 Flash. So I hope that you got a complete idea from this video. If you found this video helpful and if you got this update helpful, don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the latest update. So see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.